how the pieces look after cooking for about 7 minutes.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, looking for me.
What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? We back with another video. So today we're gonna be showing y'all how to make pizza during this quarantine. We know y'all want some Domino's, but maybe your stimulus check ain't hit and you can't go get that Domino's, or maybe you scared a nigga at Domino's, he gonna be delivering your shit and he gonna be oh, you don't want that, so do it yourself. DIY. You feel me? So today's ingredients, all you gonna need is mozzarella cheese, queso. We gonna put some veggies, whatever veggies you want. We got some peppers. We're gonna put some peppers on there. We got some mushrooms, and we got some onion. We're gonna put some cebolla, and then we got this pizza sauce, basically just a marinara sauce. You could probably use pasta sauce too. I feel like it's all the same. Tomato sauce is tomato sauce. So
Are we gonna cook a meat or no?
I think this is some Italian sausage. Very good, very tasty. It's gonna do you right. Just have no doubt.
So today, for the first time in a long time, I'm going to meet up with D&D so I can do the tour of the D&D mansion.
Alright, we're gonna have to cook this. So we're gonna be right back. But get all your ingredients ready and we're gonna see y'all in a couple minutes. Alright?
To look at the BDG mansion, I'm really excited because I haven't seen it. I've just been seeing pictures.
Alright. Right now we got Makayla whipping up the sausage. We're gonna season it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. It got really its own flavor. You don't gotta do too much to it. So maybe just a little salt, a little pepper. You did that already?
No, not yet.
And then I'm gonna start cutting up the veggies that we're gonna have on the pizza. We're gonna be making our own pizzas and we're gonna taste both and see which one we like better.
Here, use this.
Well, look what I did to my knife the other day, bro. Ain't that crazy, bro? I ain't never seen a knife do that before. I was trying to cut some thick ass thing of beef. It was frozen. And that shit got stuck in the meat somehow. Brazy. Either way, this look kind of old.
Oh, you have pepperoni too, don't you?
Yeah, Makayla don't like pepperoni. Why, I don't know. But I'm definitely finna sauce my pizza up. Makayla's is probably gonna be mad mediocre. That's just what I assume is coming.
I'm sorry.
Nah. What? Oh, it's bad? Let me see. What's wrong with it?
Go ahead, take a look.
Hold on. I'm gonna look. Right after I throw this in the trash. We don't need them scraps. She said the pepperoni bad. This is what pepperonis look like, bro.
Look closer.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my God.
What?
I might be able to pick through it. I'll see. I'll probably throw it out after.
I am disgusted.
Hey, I want y'all to comment down below what's y'all favorite quarantine meal has been since this shit started. I know y'all been cooking more than y'all usually do, or you know.
Should be.
What?
I said they should be.
Yeah, they probably still going to McDonald's. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Just yeah, be careful. We did eat out a couple times, but we made sure we like took it out all the containers. Cause they say it can't travel through heat, so it's like not gonna be on the food, but it could be like on the box or the bag. But we take ours out and put it on a regular plate or something. Wash our hands, then eat it. You feel me? But I know a lot of y'all niggas can't cook, so this is gonna really make y'all smile. Cause these pizza crusts only like $1 or something. Pizza sauce stupid cheap, and then you got vegetables. You probably already got that at the house, so. And you could throw some beef on that junk, some motherfucking hamburger meat. You could throw some I'm supposed to not be cussing. You could throw some hamburger meat on there. You could throw some hella onions, man. Here, throw some onions in that sauce.
Onion, onion, onion.
Got it, got it. Yeah. Yeah! That's how you gotta do that. But anyway, what was I saying? Let me cut up some of these. Baby portobello. Baby portobello mushroom. Baby Bella. Baby Bella. Ooh, you showing them that sauce I got in the cabinet. They don't need to see all that sauce. Too much salt in that water, baby. Damn. Hey, don't y'all hate cutting onions when it make you cry and get in your eye and then you feel like you're going blind? I hope blind people don't feel like this every day, man.
I don't think they do.
Bro,
Yeah, I doubt it.
watch how many times I put this mushroom over before I cut
They
it.
just can't see. It don't
Nigga,
really
what
hurt
is you
for sure.
doing?
Unless
Just
they
cut
do
it.
some
I mean, I'm
shit.
sure sometimes they got some pain or something.
Damn, man, my eyes hurt, bro. All right, y'all. We gonna come back to y'all when we get everything sliced and this sausage is cooked. But yeah, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all favorite cuisine is and give this recipe a rating. We got all our ingredients. Got the sausage, we got the veggies, we got the mozzarella cheese, big bag. So now the pizza sauce. So finna. Alright, so first we gonna get the pizza sauce. We don't got a lot, but hopefully this should be enough still. So you just pour a good little bit. These crusts is a little bit thinner, so I'm gonna start out with less than I would on a thicker crust, and then get some more. Oh. And then you're just gonna spread that out evenly to your edges, depending on how thick you want your crust to be, or how much crust you want to have, because this shit not gonna be thick. This thin ass pizza. Yeah. So you're gonna spread that out to the best of your abilities. You feel me? Hey, fun fact, I used to work at a pizza place in the IMU, in the Indiana Memorial Union. If you went to Indiana University, you know what that is. But I can make a slamming pizza, I mean from scratch, like flip the dough, all that. I can do all that. So yeah, I bet you didn't know that. I bet you didn't carry it. No, I'm just kidding. Let me put a little bit more. to?
A little bit if there's some. Okay, you don't splash it, please. I got white on and.
Okay, drip. She drip. She said don't splash it on my drip.
That's not what I said.
That's exactly what you said.
I just don't like stains on my white clothes.
Period.
Right, Mr. Wife Beater.
My shit ain't got no stains.
Dingy ass wife beaters.
This shit ain't dingy, bro. I threw away all my dingy white beaters. Here, man. Tap that. You wanna tap that a little bit? You gotta get your money worth.
Just damn near gone. Is gone. It's clear. You can see through the jar. Okay. The next, I'm gonna put. Wait. Here's my sauce. My sauce looks better than his. My whole pizza's gonna be better than his.
Hey, my sauce looks better. You just did yours lighter. That's it.
Yeah.
I can be light too. She don't think I can be gentle.
Because he can't.
Yeah, I can.
He's always so rough and fast with everything. He never just takes time to stop and smell the roses.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm not even gonna acknowledge that. That don't even deserve a reply.
Why?
Because you sound like an old ass lady. Never smell the roses. Never smell the roses. Gonna miss it. Alright, man. So, we got the sauce.
Sidge.
What are you doing? She put in the meat before the cheese. Oh my god. Oh, so it doesn't fall over? So it doesn't topple? I like your idea, but I'm gonna go onion because I want my meat on top. Yeah.
I don't like my stuff. I don't like that. I don't like my stuff on top like that.
Huh?
I said I don't like my stuff on top like that.
This is news to me. I didn't think she was going to take this approach, so this is the only reason I switched up, because I feel like she knows something I don't know. So,
What do you mean?
because you went straight, like, and you took all the sausage.
No, I didn't. You have this whole bowl.
Oh.
What are you talking about?
I don't know what she got going on, man. But y'all know how I get down. You got to cheese that hoe up.
And my onions.
Alright. Cheese that hoe up. You feel me? So,
I love onions.
I put a
love,
little bit of
love
onion.
onions.
Onions do be smacked. A lot of people don't like onions though. Like my auntie didn't like onions, but then she started to like them a little bit more. My cousin used to hate onions too, but she just did that junk because her mama ain't like onions. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Layla. I hope you watching it. You ain't really not like onions. You just ain't like them because your mama ain't like them. And I eat them if they cook on my burger, niggas. All right. Either way, but what?
I'm gonna put my mushroom on.
I dropped some sauce.
Look, you guys. He never cuts his mushrooms all the way. Like, this should be at least cut in half, if not fourths.
Like if you got a mushroom, you want it to look like a mushroom. You know?
I mean, yeah, but pizza's different. You cut all your stuff. What are you doing?
I thought I dropped some sausage over the leg. I don't know. Now I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of sausage. How you say sausage in Spanish? Hold on. Carne asada.
Shouldn't you be trying to speak Italian?
I don't know Italian, man. I have Spanish, not Italian.
And we're making pizza, not tacos.
Stromboli.
And a little bit of peppers.
Mario.
Not a whole lot.
Luigi.
I don't really mess with peppers a whole lot. We're just gonna throw a couple on
Put
there.
your foot in that sausage, girl.
Like that. And then
Then I'm gonna add some of my mushrooms.
you put a whole bunch of cheese on here.
What, man? Alright, y'all. Y'all comment down below who y'all think pizza gonna be better, man. And make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. Cause I really appreciate that, man.
Yeah, we'll wait. Okay.
The more y'all subscribe, the more videos I put out. No kill. The more y'all like, but as long as y'all watching,
That's all that really matters. As long as y'all showing a little bit of love.
a little bit of something.
As long as we know y'all watching.
Alright, now I'm gonna put some couple of peppers on there. Cause this is where you want your color to show through, you know? On the top, you know, you gotta see that purple or that, you know, that yellow. I mean, cheese white. And that brown of the sausage in there. Mushroom and then them peppers and then what is the nigga talking about?
I need to get a little bit of cheese closer to the edges.
I like peppers, man. I've been wanting to get some peppers lately because I've been cooking a lot. I mean, I cook anyway, but yeah, I definitely been cooking a lot with the corona. We been stocking up. Like, we really be quarantined. Like, I know y'all saw that Goodwill video because that's gonna come out before this. And I ain't edited neither of them yet. Okay, but we just did that yesterday anyway. That's irrelevant as fuck. So I'm gonna crop all that out, edit all that out, so it don't even matter. So I can keep talking about it if I want to. All right. I want y'all to see my technique, man. I put down a little bit of onions over the sauce, right? After the sauce, right? Stay with me. Then I sprinkle some cheese on there. You feel me? Stay with me. And then I went for the mushrooms, you feel me? Hold on. Then I threw some more sausage. No, then I threw some sausage on there because I ain't put sausage on the bottom. And then I put some onions on there and the peppers to give it a little bit of color. Now this is what I'm finna do. You gotta take the cheese, you feel me? Go back over it, you feel me? Just to make sure it get down in there. You got a little cheese layer on the tip top. You still see all them colors underneath, you feel me? It look nice and pretty. Okay? And then this gonna blow y'all mind. This is the last part. That's gonna blow y'all mind. I'm gonna sprinkle the cheese. You know, I like cheese, bro. You don't want too much cheese. But, yeah, I like cheese. And then I'm gonna put some on your sausage. Oh, my goodness. Because all my meat lovers know out there. Y'all know. Bruh, me and my brother coming up, every time we get pizza, you know we was getting? Meat lovers. Thick pan crust Pizza Hut. Ooh, fire. He would be disappointed in this thin ass pizza crust. I'm already knowing, but I think he would be proud. If you watching this, brother, I love you. P.O.P. Hold it down. Alright. So now she wanna add more stuff to the top because she see I know. She want hers to look prettier because see.
But look, you might as well try to use all of this, right?
Oh yeah. I mean, I already got a lot of mushrooms. You need more onion?
No, it's okay.
Pepper?
You want some more onion?
No.
I'm gonna check all that.
I'll throw a couple more. Yeah, y'all. So quick little, easy little, fun little recipe to do with your family. You know, family time.
Yay!
And you could get the smaller ones, so you could have like little personal
pan.
pans. Yeah, I like those too. But I'm hungry, man. Hopefully this is good. I feel like the only thing I'm really disappointed in is how thin it is. I feel like I got too much stuff on top of mine for it to be so thin.
Transferring it.
Yeah, and I think, is it supposed to go directly on?
Yeah.
So it's supposed to go directly on the oven rack. So it'll be a little bit hard getting it out, but
I gotta think, how are we gonna get that out? I guess we could take like. I'm going to take a spatula or something and put it underneath it. And then we're gonna have to help each other. But our oven's ready.
Okay. Now,
I knew this was coming.
since we are
I was waiting on it.
dealing with Italian food, you feel me? Ho ho ho. Mamma mia. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. All right. I got the Italian seasoning. I'm just going to sprinkle it. This is how it's looking before it goes into the refrigerator. I mean... What?
21.
You stupid.
Before it goes into the oven, man. Stormy trying to find scraps. Ugly ass girl. Look at my toe!
You messed my saran wrap
I ruined y'all appetite. Y'all don't even want to watch the cooking video no more. I'm sorry, I'm gonna just go. You're gonna want to pull out that middle rack a little bit. Hold this, baby. And you're gonna wanna... I think it's gonna be hard as fuck to get it out, bro. Bear with me, I'm finna do some nigga shit. Is this still recording?
Yes.
Alright, y'all. Don't try this at home.
Stupid.
Alright. Now, oh my goodness, this is not gonna... Alright, I think it might work. Alright. I just burned my hand and I think my piece is gonna be lopsided. I think I should take it off. I think that made it worse probably. Hey, tell me if I need to delete my YouTube if these curls suck, okay? Let me see. Y'all think that's gonna be okay, bro?
I think it'll be okay. We'll just have to watch it or like turn it, you know, so it'll cook
Yours
evenly.
got a little edge too. How? Oh yeah, yeah. I don't know, bro. Like I want to mess with it, but then I don't really want to fuck with it. Is it hot? I got it. Okay. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this now. Don't never tell me I'm stupid now, okay? Okay. Spam W's in the comments. Alright, you only live once, right? We're just gonna go OG with it and pray we can get it out at the end. Cause I feel like this is gonna mess up the cooking. Crust already thin, so We don't want to take no chances, all right? So we gonna see y'all in about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Okay, and this is the final how the pieces look after cooking for about 7 minutes. The crust was super thin, so yeah. We finna do a little taste test. No, I don't want mine cut all the way, man. You cut your own, man. You cut your own, man.
Sorry.
I just want a little smidget out of mine.
Oh, yeah, consistency, y'all. Like, that's the best shit I can tell you. I know it sounds simple, but it's true. Consistency. It's always somebody next up to take your spot. You hear me?
That's my nigga, though.
If I stop uploading for a year,
DDG
there's gonna
made me
be
start
another nigga
YouTube.
that y'all start watching. Y'all gonna chill on it. So I gotta stay consistent.
Alright,
I gotta
man.
keep posting. I gotta keep
Makayla's slow as hell.
Sorry. My plate. And I want. Oh, I want this piece right here. For sure.
Y'all niggas know that you got it.
That nigga different, I ain't
I mean, you got it.
that nigga smooth, man.
Gotta get it.
Smooth ass.
Crushed. The crushed red pepper.
He ain't fucking with my drip though, man.
And then
I'm just the hardest, okay?
Ooh.
Parmesan.
I love cheese.
What?
Not too much.
And then I'm gonna get another little piece.
You
Like,
want some of this red pepper?
no, thank you.
Alright.
Alright, this is the last
I'm
version.
just gonna cut a smidget.
Because I haven't really ate this cool.
Alright.
Eat real
Little
sauce.
taste test.
Do y'all ever text my number?
Just taste it, bro.
423-615-2276.
That's his phone number. I'm gonna call his shit.
I ain't gonna tell you that shit.
Yeah, I shouldn't have done that.
He did that on purpose. Alright. I said taste testing, you over here smacking, man.
I just ate a piece of
Ask me just
cheese.
a question, I'm gonna answer all of them. Right now. I'm ready. I don't feel like playing games.
Taste test.
Wait. All right.
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Can I replace Riley?
It's decent. I like thicker crust better for sure. We had the thicker crust last time and it was way better, but
Smart.
it's still good. It's just real thin, so.
We don't receipts for that. You ain't get the lights, nigga. I told you I get 150K and I didn't do it. You really wanna try to get, German shorty if you put her out? I don't know, man.
But the thing is, you can really
I'm
taste
just
like.
vibing, right? All I'm doing, bro.
All your stuff.
You can taste all your
Pushing OD on.
flavors because this crust isn't that thick, but it doesn't offset it. But
But I'm about to drop
yeah,
some
this was our
shit.
little quick pizza tutorial video. We hope y'all enjoyed it. Try to hold your pizza up for a little bit of it.
Okay.
Wednesday I'm dropping a new song.
See, I might be tired.
Alright, but y'all subscribe, hit that like button, and share. Show love. We're gonna see y'all in the next one.
Everybody want this necklace? I don't want it no more.
Bye, nigga.